Customer just dropped off a very beautiful but very dull Shun knife to get sharpened. Before we get this sharpened, let's get a baseline. We're going to test this knife on my best scale. 885. This is extremely dull. I'm going to start sharpening with a 120 grit Cubitron belt, and this is going to create a burr for us. Once I created a burr with 120 grit, I'm moving on to my 600 grit Trizac. I'm going to go equal passes until I create another burr. My final step is using a kangaroo strop. This is to remove any burr that's left over and to make the edge razor sharp. From 880 to 190, this blade is razor sharp.